What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today is giveaway day. We're about to call out the names of the winners. I want to thank everybody for participating in this. We got 11, count them up, 11 watch faces to give. And if you don't get your name called, trust me, I got you on the next one. Don't worry about it. All right, with that being said, we do want to thank Z Watch Faces for the donation and for the opportunity to review such an awesome watch face. Now, this one is going to be for Vibe, okay? With that being said, let's get started. Name number one is going to be Jackie. Congratulations, Jackie. Next one is going to be Adrian Robinson. And then we got Lori. We got Trap Shooter 52. Black Mouse 999. We got Vincent. We got Janet. Hey, what's up, Janet? We got, I want to call the name out to be Cha Cha Boom. Right? 5. And we got Arthur Strout. We got Steve Lee. We got Kenneth, I believe, Eli. And then Daniel, we got you on the next one, my friend. We got you. Don't worry about it. All right, you all. That's going to be it. Congratulations to all the winners. Enjoy the watch faces. Thank you for participating. Continue to comment in the comment section down below. And most of all, make sure you hit that like button and share this video. All right, you all. That's going to be it. I will see you all at the next one. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And with that, I'll holler at you later. Take care.